So the fa ending is, would you do something? So on one fa, would you stay? Okay, and the answer here, let's see. So ni aning sawaya is I wouldn't stay at home, okay? And if you wanted to say no, ni aning. I wouldn't stay. Okay, ni aning. Alright? And in the future we have a number 15, so I won't stay at home. Ni ani me sawaya.
Ni ani me sawaya.
Okay.
And the difference between 14 and 15?
Yeah, whatever the difference between the two is in English. I wouldn't stay and I won't stay. You use the conditional a lot when you have statements like if fiuma jokakshe nianing. So even if he would come, I wouldn't stay. Okay, so you have a lot of statements like that. You do them in English too. So it's whenever you have woods in English, you're going to have typically a conditional in Irish. Okay. And 16 is an example of the verbal noun. So I am staying at home. Táimig fannach sa bhaile. Just like we had Tasha ag fágáil an chi, he is leaving the house. Or táimig fágáil an chi, I'm leaving the house. Táim ag fannach sa bhaile, I am staying at home. Okay? And fog becomes ag fágáil, leaving. But fan becomes ag fannacht, staying. So there's no, the patterns are, there's a lot of different patterns going on and you can't really tell just looking at it what it's going to be. Okay? Next one is brish, which means to break something. So, don't break the window, talking to more than one person. Na brishigi an inyog. And afterwards, the children broke the window. Vrish na pashchi an inyog. So how would you ask someone, did you break the window? Or vrish tu an inyog. And if you're talking to the kids, what would you say? Or vrish shiv an inyog. Or vrish shiv an inyog. Did you break the window? And how would they say yes? Vrish. Kind of put their heads down. Vrish.
Vrish, not me.
Near vrish would be no. Near vrish. Okay. Now number 19 is wouldn't. So this is a question in the conditional. So wouldn't they break the window? Okay. So nach mrishajish an inyog. So nach is the question. Wouldn't someone do something? Or
is it mrish?
Mrishadish. So you pronounce the M. Nach mrishajish an inyog. Wouldn't they break? So nach mrishajish. Wouldn't they break? Okay. Say no. How, you want to know how you would say no? They wouldn't break it. Ni vrishajish. Ni vrishajish. Okay. And say they won't break it. Ni vrishishid e. Okay. So ni vrishis will not break. Shid is they. E is it, meaning the window. Okay. And the last one of this group, shul means to walk. Okay, so she walked home yesterday. Hyul shi awalya inye. Okay, and she walks home every day. Use shulin. So shulin shi awalya gachla. Okay.
And shulin counts as a short verb.
It's a short verb because there's only one syllable. Shul. Yeah. Even though. Yeah, it's not a separate sound there. So shulin shi. How would you ask, does she walk home? And shulin she, awalya. Okay, and how would you say yes? Shulin. How about no? Ni hulin. Okay. The future, she will walk home tomorrow. Shulhi she, awalya amarach. Okay. And and the conditional, she wouldn't walk home at night. Ni hulach shi awalya sanicha. So ni hiolach.
Hiula.
Yeah, and that'll vary a little bit from place to place too on how those are pronounced, but ni hiolach she.
Why wouldn't that be shulin?
Sh-
It's a constant thing.
Because it's once you go into conditional, it kind of doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter if it's like you say she wouldn't. Yeah, you use that in English too. So she's walking home now. Use the ig shul. So tashi ig shul awali anish. Okay, that's the verbal noun. Or you could do it with the word hokri. So hokri shi shul awaya. She decided to walk home. Okay, so the word shul is used either to mean walking or to walk, depending on what sentence it is. Okay, so what we're gonna do is do a little bingo game and then we'll take a break.